Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to use a Play-doh on the table to make the symbol of Autobot from the Transformers movie. On the table I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 Play-doh. And let's name all the colors before we start making the robot. First I have purple, I have blue, red, I also have gray, orange, and green. Are you guys ready to do it with me? Let's do it together. First we're going to use purple. Let's remove the symbol, guys. And we're going to use purple first. Okay, let's see what we have. Oh, this is the first symbol of the Autobot. And it is purple. Yay! Next we're going to use blue. Let's flatten this out. And let's see what we have. Whoa, look at this, guys. This is our second symbol of the Autobot. And it is blue. Next we're going to use red. Let's see what we have. Oops, I used the wrong mask, guys. Let's do it again. Here it is. This is the right one. And it is red. Next we're going to use orange. Okay, let's see. Whoa, look at this, guys. We have a fourth symbol, and it is orange. It looks like a cat. Do you think it looks like a cat? Leave a comment below and let me know. Okay, let's see. Oh, we have a fifth symbol, and it is green. Lastly, we have gray. Alright, let's have a look. Uh-oh. This is not the symbol that we were looking for. This is not the symbol of the Autobot from Transformers. You think what symbol this is? Yes, that's right. This is the symbol of the Decepticon. Let's make the symbol of the Autobot. Cool. Now we have it right. and it is gray. Alright guys, we finally have all 6 symbols on the table. Let's name all the colors one more time. We have red, blue, purple, gray, green, and orange. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye! Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make the symbol of the Decepticon from the Transformers movie. They are the bad guys, right? That's right. Yesterday we made the symbol of the Autobot. Looks very cool, right? Today we're going to make the symbol of the Decepticon. Okay, but before we do that, let's name all the colors on the table. We have purple, red, yellow, gray, blue, and green. Okay, are you guys ready to do it with me? Let's do it together. First, let's remove the mask from the sling. There you have it. And first, we're going to do purple. Okay, let's see what we have. Cool. So we have a first symbol, guys. And it is purple. Very cool. It looks like a crown. Next, we're going to use orange. Cool. We have orange symbol of the Decepticon. Very cool. Next we have red. Yay! We have a third symbol of the Decepticon, and it is red. Next, we're going to make gray. Cool. Our fourth symbol is gray. I really like this color. Do you guys like this color? Let me know in the comment below. Next, we're going to use blue. There it is, our fifth Decepticon symbol, and it is blue. Lastly, we're going to use green. Look at this. Uh-oh, there's something wrong with it. This doesn't look like the rest of them, right? So what happened? Can you guys tell me? Oh right, yeah. I used the wrong mask. So I used the symbol of the Autobot instead of the symbol of the Decepticon. Let's turn the symbol into the symbol of the Decepticon. Let's make a new one. There it is. Very cool. And the symbol is green. Alright guys, we finally have 6 masks on the table. Let's name all the colors one more time. We have red, purple, gray, orange, green, and blue. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.